we have to find values of x and y. We have given diagram. On this diagram we have two lines which cross in one point. We know that when two lines cross in one point, the angles which are across are the same. This angle and this have the same measures, and this, that is different color, and this 3x plus 37 is the same like y plus 7. What else we see on this diagram? We have, like I said, two lines. Let's choose this line. We see that this line gives us straight angle, and straight angle has 180 degrees. So the sum of these two angles, because they are supplementary, is 180 degrees. So we have equation that y plus 7 degrees plus 2y minus 7 degrees is equal 180 degrees, because these two angles are supplementary. So we have equation with one unknown. Let's forget about degrees first. So we have y plus 7 plus 2y minus 7 is equal 180. Y, now we can combine the like terms. Y plus 2y is 3y, 7 and negative 7 we can reduce, is equal 180. Now we will divide both sides by 3. 3 and 3 we can reduce, and we have that y is equal 60. So next we have to find x. We have y. We can use two methods. We know that these two angles are the same and these two are the same. So we can write that y plus 7 is equal 3x plus 37. Y we have, so we will have only one unknown x. Or we can use again supplementary angles, because we see that 3x plus 37 and 12x minus 7 give us angle 180 degrees. So these two angles are supplementary angles. So we can again write equations something like this. We have two methods to find our x. It doesn't matter which you choose. The answer will be the same. Let's put now that angle 3x plus 37 is equal y plus 7 degrees. Let's forget about degrees. So we have 3x plus 37 is equal y plus 7. I will move 37 to the right side, and we have given that y is 60, so we can substitute. We found that y is 60, so we can substitute. So we have 3x is equal y is 60 plus 7 minus 37. So 3x is equal 30. So now we divide both sides by 3. So we have x is equal 10. We found values of x and y. So this is my solution.